I have the Samsung Galaxy S25 and I'll be showing you how to record videos with both the front and the back cameras simultaneously. So if you go into the camera app and scroll down on this menu at the bottom until you get to more, you should see the option called dual rec, which is basically dual record. And if you tap on that, it's gonna bring up the dual recording. So you can see this area here is the back camera and this area here is the front facing camera. Okay, so now when I record, it's gonna record with both lenses. So this is an example of a recording with both the front and the back camera. Okay, so I can stop there right now and let's play that video and you can see it right there. This is an example of a recording with both the front and the back camera. Okay, now while you're still here, if you tap on select lenses, then you can have different lenses for the for this area. So here we have front. For the back, you can choose whether you want the ultra wide camera or the telephoto or the wide angle camera. So depending on what you want really. Now I'm just gonna leave it at wide. That should be the normal camera. If I can tap here again and then select front camera, tap OK, and I should be good to go. Now there's a little icon here at the top, this one with a little arrow facing down. Now this icon allows you to do something interesting. Now currently, as you might have seen, these two video clips are going to be saved as one single video file on the phone. Now if you want them saved as separate video files, you can just tap on this little icon and you can see it says save videos in separate files. And now when you record, this clip and this clip from the front camera are going to be saved as two separate video files. Okay, so here you can only do this in Ultra HD at 30 FPS. Then you can turn HDR on or off during in this mode. Okay, so that is basically how to record with both cameras, the front and the back camera at the same time, also called dual record, on your Samsung Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section, along with any questions you might have. Good luck.